We are pleased to show you the 2019 Wrangler. Few vehicles are better off-road than a Jeep Wrangler. This is the one that started it all. Traceable to the original Jeep, the Wrangler is the very symbol of off-road capability and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, fog lights, speed control, four-wheel disc brakes, rear window defroster, low tire pressure warning, trip computer, tachometer. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.